Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50 Lite, and let me share with you some tips what to do if the apps keep crashing and you're not sure how to fix them. So the first option, which might be obvious for a lot of you, but still, even though it is simple, it could help, is to force restart or actually soft reset our device. So basically, just press the power button and volume up button together and wait. Maybe not wait, just press it, and here tap on restart. Your device will be restarted, and hopefully the apps will work. This option could help to fix temporary glitches which affect crashing. The second thing is to make sure that you've got the app turned off completely, because sometimes if it is opened in the background, your device will prevent opening it again. So to do that, we have to open the settings. Here we have to scroll down to find the apps. Tap on see all 53 apps and find the app which has some problems. So let's pretend I cannot open the camera. So just tap on the camera and tap on force stop here. Confirm it with OK, and the camera will be forcefully stopped, and then you can try to open it again and check if it is working. Another thing is to check for the app updates. This option also could fix some problems. So let's go to the Play Store. Be aware, because you will be able to follow those steps. If you've got your Google account added to the device, you can check how to do it using our tutorial for this specific model. So if you're logged in, you can either just tap on search and enter the name of the app, or do it through your account. I think this one is a little bit easier, so let me maybe choose Chrome. Let's pretend I've got problems with Chrome. I've got it installed. Where's Chrome? Right here. All right. So let's tap on the Google Chrome, and if you've got any kind of updates pending, your device will show you the information install update, and then simply tap on this option, update it, update the app, and try to open it again. If that doesn't work, you can try to uninstall it, because uninstalling and installing it again could also help. So just tap on uninstall, confirm it, your device will uninstall the app, and then tap on install, and for some reason I cannot do that. Here we've got the update, so as you can see, in my case, I've got the update pending, which was not really shown before, but sometimes it happens. You just have to try all of the ways to check whether you've got everything set properly. And after uninstalling, just install it again, and hopefully it will work. If that doesn't work, there's also another thing which you can check, and it is still the update, but this time you can try to update the system, because it could be the problem with the system you've got applied. So just go to the settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and find System Update. After tapping on it, your device will check for the updates, and if you've got the available option, just tap on Update and download the newest system version. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.